Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kamusta kayo? In today's video, I will be teaching you how to use the Tagalog word pala. Pala is one of those Tagalog words that can mean a lot of things depending on how it was used. And today I will show you some of its common uses. By the way, you have to be careful with how you pronounce pala because there is another Tagalog word, pala, which means shovel. So for pala, the one that we will be discussing, the stress is in the first syllable. Pala. Pala. Not pala, because that's shovel. It has to be pala. Pala. Okay, let us begin. You can add pala to a sentence when you just discovered or learned something that is a surprise to you or something you didn't expect. Halimbawa, mabait siya is she's nice. But if you add pala, mabait pala siya. That means she's nice. I didn't expect that. Isa pang halimbawa. Let's say you saw a celebrity in person and she's actually taller than you expected when you were seeing her on TV. You can say, mas matangkad pala siya sa personal. So you didn't expect what you discovered. So we used pala. Last one. Let's say you thought that the kids are asleep because it's already very late, but it turns out they're still awake. You can say, gising pa pala ang mga bata. Oh, the kids are still awake. You can also use pala for something that you just remembered, something you initially forgot. Halimbawa, may exam pala ako mamaya. I have an exam later, I totally forgot. Isa pang halimbawa, let's say you're doing your groceries and you're already at the counter but you realize you still have to buy milk. You forgot. You can say, teka, bibili pa pala ako ng gatas. Oh wait, I still have to buy milk. So suddenly you remembered something that you forgot. Isa pa, naiwan ko pala ang susi ko sa bahay. I left my keys at home. So you've just remembered that you left your keys at home. So we use pala. Nga pala is by the way in English. So you use it when you want to say something that is not entirely related to what you were talking about. Or if you want to introduce another topic. Halimbawa, nga pala, pupunta ka ba sa party ni June? By the way, are you going to June's party? Nga pala, kamusta na ang asawa mo? By the way, how is your wife? Or how is your husband? Nga pala, nakita ko siya nung isang araw. By the way, I saw him or her the other day. Before we end, I'll teach you two common expressions with the word pala. You'll encounter these very often. One is, oo nga pala. Oo nga pala. Oh, right. Oh, that's right. Or, oh, right, I forgot. You can use this expression when you forgot something and you were reminded about it. Like for example, birthday ni Alvin bukas ha. Hey, it's Alvin's birthday tomorrow. And you forgot about it, you can say, oo nga pala. Oh, that's right. Or you can say, oo nga pala, nakalimutan ko. Oh, that's right, I forgot. And also earlier, I taught you that nga pala is by the way. You can also use oo nga pala for that. The same way you would use nga pala as by the way. Oo nga pala, kamusta na ang asawa mo? By the way, how is your wife? Or how is your husband? Another expression is kaya pala. Kaya pala. Oh, that's why. Halimbawa, you have a friend who is usually very talkative, but suddenly she's been very quiet. Her mood changed. And recently you found out that she didn't pass the board exam, so that explains why. You can say, kaya pala. Oh, that's why. Or, kaya pala tahimik siya noong mga nakaraang araw. Oh, that's why she's been quiet these past few days. Another example, let's say you are driving and it's been very traffic and you were listening to the radio in your car and the news said that there was an accident near the area where you are at. So that explains it. You can say, kaya pala. Oh, that's why. Or, kaya pala sobrang traffic. Oh, that's why it's super traffic. Well, that's it for today. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.